Problem 31, part A on page 556 in the textbook says calculate the new molarity that results when 250 milliliters of water is added to each of the following solutions. And part A is 125 milliliters of 0.251 molar HCl. So the dilution equation is that the concentration of the stock solution times the volume of the stock solution will be equal to the concentration of the new solution, let's just call it new, and times the volume of the new solution. And so in this problem, we are looking for the new molarity. So that would be this. So let's just do the algebra here. The new molarity will be equal to the molarity of the stock. I'm just going to put the S here. The volume of the stock divided by the volume of the new solution. All right, so we have these numbers, or at least we can find these numbers. We have the molarity of the stock solution. That would be this that's given right here, so that's 0.251 molarity HCl. And we're going to multiply that by the volume of the stock solution. That's this number right here. Now, we need to change that. Well, we don't have to change it, but let's go ahead and change that into liters. We just move the decimal point over 3. We'll see in a minute why we don't have to change that. And then on the bottom goes the volume of the new. Well, this problem says that we're going to add 250 milliliters to what we already have. So we already have 0.125 liters. I'm sorry, I made a mistake up here. That's not milliliters. That's liters. And then we're going to add to that 250. Well, again, move the 3 points over on the decimal. You get 0.250 liters. So then it's a matter of getting the calculator out, and you'll find if you get the calculator out, punch those numbers in, add that stuff on the bottom, that we end up with 0.0837. And look at these units now. It's liters on the top. When we add these together, we'll get liters. So these liters are all going to cancel out, and we end up in molarity. Okay, and so then if we look back here, we didn't have to change those liters, those milliliters, I'm sorry, into liters because they were going to cancel out anyway. So one nice thing about the dilution problem is it's a fairly simple equation, and as long as you pay attention to what the units are, you may not have to do that conversion. So here's our final answer, 0.0837 molarity.